In this video, you will learn how to install the Lorex Connect UA 8-channel NVR with the Lorex Connect 2K Plus or 4K bullet camera. These products are sold separately and are only compatible with the Lorex Connect app. What's in the box? An NVR, power adapter, network cable, HDMI cable, 4 HDD screws, and USB mouse, as well as a bullet camera, mounting template, 3 mounting anchors, 3 mounting screws, and a weather-resistant RJ45 cable gland. It is recommended to connect the cameras to the NVR first before mounting them. Connect your home router to the NVR using the included network cable. Next, connect the camera cable, then insert it into the PoE port. Connect a monitor to the NVR by using the included HDMI cable and USB mouse. Plug in the power adapter, insert into a power outlet, then connect it to the NVR. Turn the power switch on the NVR to on. You will see a light turn on. Refer to the monitor and follow the on-screen steps to complete the Lorex Setup Wizard. Download the Lorex Connect app from the App Store or Google Play. Once installed, create a new account or log in with your existing Lorex Connect account. Ensure your phone is on the same network as the router in NVR. Tap Add Device and select Recorder. Then follow the in-app steps to complete the setup. You will have to enter the password for your NVR. Once you've added your recorder in the app and can see the added camera, you're ready to mount the camera in the desired location. Decide what you want to monitor and pick a spot that gives you the widest, clearest view. For best performance, mount the camera at about 10 feet by 3 meters high. Mark and drill the holes using the mounting template. For the purpose of this video, these are the 3 drill holes we will be making. Drill into the surface to create the drill holes. Insert the mounting anchors into each of the drill holes. Use the cable notch to neatly route the camera cable. Drill or screw in the mounting bracket using the mounting screws. Loosen the camera to adjust the camera angle, then tighten to secure. Secure the weather-resistant cap and connect power to the camera. Once your camera is installed, use the Lorex Connect app to set motion detection. Create motion detection zones by dragging your fingers on the phone screen, or enable deterrence lighting. We hope you found this installation video helpful. To view the full user manual, visit your product support page or visit lorex.com/help.